Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode of my tested series. Today, my friends, we have got a sweet selfie stick from Kamisafe. So let's start by seeing what's in the box. Alrighty, so let's see what we've got in the box. Charging cable, adapter for your cell phone, and then it comes in a sweet little carrying pouch. And of course, you have got the selfie stick. All right, so this is sweet. I've got a GoPro, so this is an option for using with a GoPro. Right now, I'm going to attach the phone one because that's what I'll test with today. But knowing I've got the option to switch to the other is great. See if I can get that lined up and then tighten in the way I want. Nice grip. This actually pops off, so you can put it anywhere you want. And one of my favorite things, it is rechargeable. Snap it back on, it clips in place, extends just like you'd expect, but then the added bonus is these legs pop out. And you can slide that all the way down to raise it up even higher. So you can use it as a tripod, or you can use it as a selfie stick. Once you've got it all collapsed, you can slide this back up where you want it and then reclip this on any spot you want. Just like that, you are back in business. It does not fit with this on, so you will have to take that off when you store it. Alrighty, friends, before we actually test it, let's run through the features they mention. It is, of course, an all-in-one selfie stick and tripod. It's got the selfie stick mode and tripod mode. It is aluminum alloy and telescopic. It also has a fantastic rechargeable wireless remote shutter. It has got flexible abilities for your phone, whether you attach it or if you attach it with a GoPro, and you can get all kinds of different angles. It is handy for a sports camera or a digital camera, and it also works with your phone as long as it's between the 2.2-inch and 3.5-inch range. Product highlights: it's got the phone holder, 1/4-inch screw, GoPro adapter, 7 sections for extending. It's got that rechargeable wireless remote, and it's got anti-slip rubber ends to hold it in place. You can see that it extends all the way to 44.5 inches, and it's compact and lightweight. So my friends, let's go give it a test. Right now though, let's test it with a selfie. Alrighty, so there is what it looks like with the GoPro mount. And I'm actually going to show the connecting of Bluetooth by using the GoPro. Alright, so this is a no-brainer, but let's do it together anyways. So, turned on, find your Bluetooth. I'm using Android. And then if we look in the list of Bluetooths, we've got a new Yuntang that we can connect. And boom, we will be ready and able to take selfies using the little remote. Just like that. And even cooler, I was able to use the tripod to record it. Alrighty, friends, so this is kind of cool. I've got the GoPro recording my screen so you can actually see it. So you can see the Bluetooth start the recording, so I don't have any extra footage as I do my closing for you. Alrighty, friends, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.